country of 7,000 emerald islands. I am a Filipino. Like Juan de la Cruz, I am a warrior by blood and a believer by heart. Being a Filipino myself, I say, I'm a Filipino for a number of reasons. First, my parents were born and raised here in the Philippines. They taught me good Filipino traits, and as far as I know, we Filipinos are known for our traditions, passions, traits, and attitude of people with a diverse and unique culture. Filipinos are hospitable. Foreigners who visit our country experience being at home almost everywhere in the Philippines. Even in our house, when we have visitors, we offer them something to eat, right? Secondly, a main trait that is a main trait incomparable to other races is that Filipinos respect the elders. We all know that we all know that our parents accorded the highest respect in the family. So it is a moral rule for us to talk and behave respectfully to them. Saying po and opo is a sign of respect for the elderly. Third, I am a Filipino for I am a follower of God. Filipinos are very religious. Every Sunday, churches are full. Most Filipino special children pray before sleeping, before eating, and every morning. Fourth, fourth, I am a Filipino because I play traditional games like Pico, Patintero, Sipa Bola, and many more. Being a Filipino is one that I can be proud of because of our heroes that sacrificed their life just to serve our country. There is no doubt, Filipino spirit is alive and strong. Always remember what Dan Salud says. The Filipino is nothing if he is not grateful. The Filipino sense of gratitude is uniquely Filipino, just as we are uniquely Filipino because we have sense of gratitude. Good attitudes, traditional games, and countless heroes are the things that we should keep in our mind and heart. The things that we should be proud of.